Hello, today we're going to learn how to import an image to trace. You can import a surveyor's plan or a plot plan that needs to be built in Cedreo. The differences are the levels is used. To create the plot layer, we will use the terrain level. And for the plot plan, we will start on the ground floor. For our example, we will use a plot plan, so it will be imported on the ground floor. In the layout step, select Trace Image. In the right panel, select the Load Image icon. You can upload 3 types of files: a JPEG, PNG, or PDF file. Select the file from your folders. Then, adjust the scale of the trace image to the desired length. Select the ruler with a left click. Then, move the layer by right-clicking. And to zoom in, move the wheel on your mouse. Place the ruler on the largest known coastline. It's important to do so to minimize the margin of error. Enter the length once the ruler is at the exact position. For our example, it should be at 25 feet. Click OK to insert image on the project grid. In the Trace Image options, adjust the scale, move, rotate, or change its opacity. Anytime while working on your project, you can change the settings by simply going back to the trace image. After you trace the image, you can deactivate it from the grid background by selecting the drop-down menu and unchecking the trace image. That will hide the image from the background, but you can add it back simply by checking the same box. That's it. Now it's your turn. Feel free to ask any questions with the email provided. Our team is always available to help.